Hey guys, what's happening? How to share location on iPhone. So in this case, we're gonna use Google Maps, right? And we're gonna point to our location. Okay, I'm gonna press this location, right? You're gonna see a pop-up window. This is my address. Excuse me. Let me select this location, right? Yeah, let me select my location right here. Okay, this is my location. I'm gonna just see the pop-up window, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit share location. And now you can share the location, for 1 hour, or until you turn this off, or if you have like a length, on how many or how approximately average time you want to share this location, right? And you can hit more options right here if you want to share across social media, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.